Hello, my name is Bruno Marinho and I'm the co-founder at Devise and lawyer and partner at PLC Advogados. It was with great enthusiasm that I decided to accept the invitation that was addressed to me by Bosco and analyze the theme of golden visas in Portugal. In Portugal, the golden visa program has been in force since 2012, created as a mechanism to attract foreign investment. Since then, more than 15,000 individuals and their families have received resident permits in Portugal and full access to the Schengen area, representing 4% of the total immigrants living in our country. Despite recent global adversities, the truth is that this program continues to assume special importance on our domestic scene, given the foreign investment it attracts. So, I invite you to attend the conference scheduled for September 30th and get to know a little more about the Golden Visa program. See you there.